Let me take you to my content creation and organization step by step, and hopefully it will help you to structure yours.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone.
This is the way I start my day. How is it connected to planning and organizing? Come with me to my office and I'll show you.
To me trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just wanna go my own way.
When I just started on YouTube about 3 years ago, I didn't plan and organize my content. I came up with video ideas in the last moment, did filming and quick editing, and just published it without any research of what people were actually wanted to see. I had a list of some ideas I thought will make a good videos, but ended up as a huge failure. Sitting in front of my laptop, I was overwhelmed, not knowing what to do next. I was a mess. And my channel looked the same. No structure, no planning, no views, and no subscribers. Things started to change when I decided to stop chasing my tail and organize my YouTube video content for 1 month ahead. I started with Google Sheets and Google Calendar, and then moved to the tools I'm using today, which I will show you in this video in a moment. So moving back to how my morning walk related to content creation and organization is very simple. My morning walk is step 3 of my content planning process. Let me take you to my content creation and organization step by step, and hopefully it will help you to structure yours. So to stay organized, I use 2 apps, Trello and Asana. Basically, these apps are very similar except for the fact that Asana has many more features. I started with Trello, and for 2 years it was my go-to tool. Then I discovered Asana, and since then Asana is my #1 tool. I run my whole business, which includes 3 websites and 4 YouTube channels plus private tasks, all with Asana. Now I know it may sound funny, but I still use Trello to build my video ideas list. Both apps you can use from desktop and from mobile devices, and they are synced, which means you can work from everywhere. In Asana, I can't find the option to duplicate tasks from my phone. I'll explain it. When I come with a good video idea, I don't just write it down in Asana. Instead, I have a template I use which includes the whole creation checklist. I can't duplicate the template to write it down from my phone. This is when I use Trello. If it is a bit complicated for you, I'm planning on making an Asana tutorial video. Right now, I just want you to know that I use both Trello and Asana in my content planning process. The first step is finding a video idea. I find my video ideas using an autocomplete and websites like Ubbersuggest, Answer the Public, and more. And I have another video going in depth of how to find good ideas for your YouTube video content. I will link it in the description so you can watch it. This process takes me a while, and usually I make a list of good ideas that will serve me for a few months. Of course, you always have hot topics and trends you can make videos about, but this list is my base of content creation and helps me fill the gaps in my schedule. I also check the trends for these topics in tools like buzz-sumo and Google Trends. Now, when we have a list of topics and video ideas written down in Trello, the second step is to research those ideas for keywords. The 2 main players here are search volume and competition. When the ideal keyword will have high search volume, preferably more than 1,000 searches per month, and relatively low competition. For my research, I use free tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ. Both great free tools, and if you want, you can get them for free with the links I have in the description of this video. Now, transparency is the most important thing for me. So I want to let you know that the links are affiliate links. This means that if you decide to upgrade in the future, I will get a small commission from the company. The price won't change for you, and it will help to support this channel to make sure you will continue get valuable free content. All the keyword research and the final title online, go to Asana. So I know that in Trello I have a list of general ideas, and in Asana the ideas are researched and ready for creation. Now step number 3, I wake up early and in 10 minutes I'm out walking and outlining my videos. I found my morning walks so effective that I won't skip a thing. Studies have shown that most people found in the best productive mood early in the morning. Also, it's been proven that physical activity improves our focus and brain function. Those walks have a great benefits on my health and weight management and are the best effective and productive tool for my business. Because it is hard to write while you're walking, I record myself talking straight into the Asana tasks. This function is built in an iPhone, and I'm sure you can find something that will make speech to text on your mobile device. When I walk in the mornings, my mind is so creative, and before I was recording myself, I found that by the time I came home, I forgot all the amazing ideas I had. So I outlined my videos during my morning walks. I highly recommend you to do it too. But of course, you can outline your content from your office or else. When planning your video, make sure you give the best value for your viewer, including B-roll if possible to make it interesting and informative. When done, I move the video to the to film column, so I know it is ready to be filmed. I usually make a month worth of content and schedule it to film in one day. Now I just have to schedule my filming date considering other tasks I have and making sure I will have enough time to edit the videos, publish and optimize. In Asana, I have a 2020 map where I clearly see what videos scheduled for what month. Step 4 is all about the actual creation. I try to film as many videos as I can in one day. Some creators find it hard and say it affects their content value. I found batching works the best for me. After I film my videos, I move them to the to edit column and edit them, trying to cut all the ums and pauses. Making my videos straight to the point, cutting out all the rambling, gives them the best value without spending precious viewer time. Finally, the last step is to upload the videos on YouTube and to schedule their publishing. I upload my videos as private and schedule them to be published automatically on my content schedule times. In the meantime, while the videos is still private, I work on full optimization of the title, description and tags. I also make sure to include cards and end screens. This is the moment I check the video as done and move it to published column. So here is the summary of the content planning that works the best for me. 1. Write a list of topics and ideas for videos on your niche. Use autocomplete, Answer the Public, and Ubbersuggest. Look for trends for those keywords in buzz-sumo and Google Trends. Step 2. Research and find keywords with high search volume, at least 1,000 a month, and low competition. Use TubeBuddy and vidIQ for this. 3. Outline your videos, planning all the shots and B-rolls. Bring the best value to your viewer. Number 4. Film and edit your video. Batch if you can. Number 5. Publish your content. Use the keywords in title, tags and descriptions of each video. Let me know in the comments if you heard about Asana and if you want me to make a tutorial video about using it. It is free and Asana is going to organize your life. Trello is also a great organizer and it's less complicated to use. Both are free and highly recommended if you got value from it. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be updated on all the new tips I post weekly. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.